Battery went dead while we go, but I brought it. That's why I say you gotta watch it. Oh look, got another one for sale, Jason. 55K, 1970 Camaro split bumper. 239-645-2447. 55K. Well, this thing is clean too. Clean. This one for sale too. How much you want for this one? He ain't got the price off the frame, so that's 6 figures. Woo, look at that motor up under there. Yes, sir.
YouTube Car Life, checking in for Rick Ross.
All right, good job. Yeah, no problem. They out here everywhere, baby. 184. This right here clean. OG clean. OG clean. Caprice Classic, 1971, I think. It's OG right here. Nah, this is 70. It ain't a 71. I think it's a 73. It's a 72 or 73, I'm not sure, but it's clean.
Just to get Gerald had?
No, Gerald had a 71 like I did, like I got. Yeah. It's clean though. That's clean. You good, bro? You good? Yeah. Hey, what's up? I fucks with y'all, man. I'm the one I always telling you moving that earth.
Oh, my God. Hey.
What's up with it? What's up with it? Yeah. I rocks with y'all. I like y'all. I seen y'all last night. I was laying up watching y'all. I like y'all, man. Y'all doing it right. Y'all doing it right. Yeah. I drive too, so I love it.
Ain't nothing to do.
Yeah, that's it. Well, it's clean right here. Clean right here. They get that dump truck money right here. I like they town. Check them out. Jennings boys. Y'all go check these cats out. They get that money. That's what it is on IG. Oh, you alright, you alright.
We didn't even go this way.
I'm just walking past that thing, bro. I ain't trying to fool with that. Calm down. I don't want none of this shit.
What's going on, fam? It's your boy Al. Live at the New veneers, my yellow jacket, get a bitch chill. Niggas fake, still making baby, try to fit the bill.
What year is it cool? 17. My cousin had a big long blue one like it. Yeah. You drive it out here? Taking that steering wheel off, you ain't getting that one. Check this out. Big worm. Nice. Look at this. This SS is killing me. This one right here, I think this one the cleanest ones out here right here. Got that new Camaro inside. This one the cleanest ones out here. Yeah, this is ready right here. I think this one the cleanest ones out here.
Yeah, this is it. Yeah. Oh, he got the joy. Oh, I see what he's doing. Yeah, this is it right here.
Hell's on it. The blue rolls on it. Swangers on it. Look how they poking. Well, look how long the line is for Trill Burger. Way back there, all the way up there. See what? Is a Trill Burger worth that long line? Trill Burger. Bun B got him in line for that burger. Look. Way back there. I like these. I need them on mine. YouTube not a. Nah, that YouTube gonna ban me for that. Yeah, clean right here.
What are you talking about?
Says whole new little Camaro hook up in there. Clean. Monte Carlo, T-tops. Big 40. One last look at the crib. Me and Jason with the lead. Go. Got the Muslims out there, security. They all over the place too, man. This ain't my partner Barry got one there. It's cool. Everything's straight out there. We winding it down. Me and Jason winding it down. We headed to the shuttle, man. It's after 5 o'clock. It's open at 6. We getting out of here so we can go get something to eat. Hello, world.
You fucking up my energy. You don't really wanna be my enemy. You don't really wanna see me in the streets. In the trunk, the big facts, cause we made all the racks. Rolling the dice, put it into the left, but on the other side of the deck on the tag. Sis, man in the poppy deal, just me, probably. We ain't talking about a G. Real G's and a G, never me. Blueprint, curly is cursive, look at me. Green hands, dirty gloves, what it is, what it was. All this, no love, never what it did, always what it does. Got each other one, hey, I'll never wrong.
Yeah, that's the one for them superchargers right there. Yeah, so you breathe. So much power and torque, it'd be bucking the quarter pounder. Hey, all these are from Chicago because PC painted this one too. Yeah, you know PC painted because the logo. I be watching these cats YouTube channel. See it? PC out of Milwaukee. It's cutting. I like this. Boy, this is a house right here. And it's a bird. It's another Chicago PC paint job. What is that motor? It's a supercharged. It's an LT4, I believe. I'm not certain, but it's an LS motor. Okay. It's cool right here. I done seen this one too. He one of the ones I see with a fire extinguisher in the back. He's smart. Gotta have a fire extinguisher. Hell no, you don't want to lose all the money you got in there. See, look, Illinois. They all from Illinois. Look how he got them Ken Diggett hands. Check these out, Jason. That's some Ken Diggett handles. Yeah. That's that Ken Diggett.
Push it right there and pull it out.
I like these Chevelles. I like to have one of these.
It's almost like a boat, right? You got bombers, I see the cracks.
This memory spray look good too. It ain't perfect. He's driving. You can tell he's driving. Chevelle. This one right here, a Boss 502 in it. Wichita. I don't know. He probably still got it for sale too. Serious inquiries on it. It's clean. Oh, that's nice in there. It's for sale. Got that alligator. Yes, sir. I love it. Throw another one over there. We on our way up out of here, man. Let's roll, man. We're gonna make it eventually. See. I watch you all the time.
Man, appreciate you.
Yeah.
They gotta catch some details.
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
But shit, I don't even need this though. You can see it through the hood.
Yeah, I see.
Nah, it's just this painted too up under here.
Is it painted?
Yup.
Yeah. Got it looking good.
Make it through.
All that in the door. Yeah, you got some details. He ain't lying. Got his name on there. Real. Emblem. You got it splashed on the back of the rim. Back part of the rim. Top 5 outlet. I see ya. That's what I'm talking about. Ben's killing this. That's a wrap. Black. Touch that at all, dude. Got it under the bubble, baby. Oh, here go the one I wanted to see over here.
drugs and the beat is stinking out and I ain't leaving. On my
Just to pipe it up. I stand on the stage and I pipe it up. Get a record. Look at the music. Pipe it up. Pipe it up.
We're on our way out of here, man. Big Ferraris, all kind of stuff. That's the line to the bus right there. We gotta wait in the line that long to catch the charter back over to the car. We'll be out here at 8, 9 o'clock tonight trying to get back to the car. But all in all, what I say, Rick Ross show was a success. Yeah, it was cool, but I think they could have did a little something different. Let us see more of the cars everybody came to see. It was all, you had to be VIP. Spend that $700, $800, $1,000, whatever it was to see those. Yeah, all in all, it was cool though. I got to meet and network with some folks, good folks. And they, nothing, I can say one thing, nothing popped off and the security is top flight, Craig. Hello, world. So I see y'all when we get on this bus and get back over there. Showing up. And I'm gonna break this down in 2 parts for sure. So I'm gonna edit it up and try to make 2 videos out of it for y'all. Hello, world. We're in the front. We get ready to walk to the car about 3 miles, man. They up there acting like animals trying to get on the bus. We're in front of her. We leave. Me and Jason walk. We gonna walk out of here. Come on, Jason, let's take a picture over here. We leaving the promised land. Walking on feet. Came on bus and walking on feet. Got a bunch of cars that ain't going there. They got the toys out. We're gonna track off. Track off. Let me get out the way for this lady. Run me over. Look, he look. Yeah, I ain't supposed to be in the lane. He look a little retarded anyway. It's a bus stop. Rick Ross got us at the bus stop. We catching the bus to the car. We gonna catch the bus. Man, rolled to the bus stop. Had to walk. It was a clusterfuck down there trying to get back in the bus. So we walked to the 50-yard line, went 8, and now we gonna sit there and ride the bus a couple miles. I said I was gonna walk, but I lied to myself. We ain't doing that. I'm tired. So we get ready to say it called it the Martyr, so it's on the way. We'll let y'all see when we get in. Hello, man. We on the bus. You alright, you alright, you alright. So you ain't playing. We on the bus. We ain't playing. Nice, sir. He ain't been on the bus. Rick Ross got me on the city bus with the last. Hell yeah. Yeah, man. We ride the bus down to the car.
Where you going to World Chain?
Yeah, we going to World Chain. Yeah.
Oh, dollar.
Sparks.
This is where the traffic starts.
Boop. Boop, we off the bus. Told y'all we rode the bus back, baby. Stop! She said, stop. We got off. Like, we rode the bus. We rode the bus all the way back. Rick Ross can't stop us. Police is everywhere. They out there directing traffic, everything. So let us get ourselves together. We're walking. We almost started to the truck. Little ways to go. Got me walking. Thanks a lot, Rick Ross, for your shuttles. We jumped on the Martyr. That's the name of it, right, Jason? We rode the Martyr all the way down to the corner. Now we're walking back up here to the car.
Smarter to get on Martyr.
Smarter to get on Martyr. Hello, world.
Reg Masters, man. I'm from Texas, but I live here in Georgia. I'm a mortgage lender. If you need to buy a house, you need to refinance or anything like that, hit me up, 470-433-0702. Again, that's 470-433-0702. I got you. I'm the mortgage plug.
There you go. Show them your Instagram.
All right.
I know you got Instagram.
Instagram at Reginald Masters. At Reginald Masters. REGINALDMASTERS.
Get his plug, Jason. That's real estate right there.
Yeah.
All right, we gonna holler at you. Good luck. That wasn't in the car show. I like those. That was dope right there. Yes, sir. Well, we finally made it to the truck. Long walk. I'm tired. All that. So I'm about to strip out of these shoes, put my flip-flops on, and we supposed to hit the highway and ride and see what's popping out there. There go the white thing over there. And hey, so I'll say, I guess, let me put this up here. I guess I can say it like this. This has been a long, adventurous day. I met a lot of people, seen a lot of people, had fun, ate a bunch of stuff, kicked it. And I can say the Rick Ross car show, it was well worth it for me. But hey, you know everything can always be better. But who putting it on that big other than Rick Ross? So I can say this, and like the sign say behind me, we about to stop this video. Hey, I hope y'all enjoy the footage. I'll probably cut it up. It's a couple videos, maybe 2 or 3 smaller videos, so y'all can check it out. And with that being said, hey, it's your boy Gordon from Gordon's World for Life, baby. Another day alive is another day to shine. Guess what, y'all? I'm gone, out of here. Hello, world. ATL, I loved it. I'm out. They out in the trap. Look, I got the barbecue grills over there getting it. And the Rick Ross saga continues. The aftermath. Cars everywhere. We still rolling around.
Everybody's in the way. I barely got probably a view of them.
He always like that when he out. Yeah. There go dude that was on the bus with him. No, he had some other stuff.
I'm about to give him some nuggets and throw them.
What are you doing, Jay?
Just throwing down so you can get that other
Like, wow. They everywhere out here, man. Rick Ross got the town on swole. That's the aftermath. Rick Ross got the whole city on swole. There go the other dude was on the bus with us. He down there. We was riding the city bus. That's funny to me, man. We was on the city, but I ain't rode the city bus in so long. Bojangles. Needed to try some of those. Bojangles, baby. Gonna eat some Bojangles.